Can you transfer a loan to someone else? Have you ever wondered if you can pass your loan to someone else? This question comes up often, especially when life changes and financial responsibilities shift. Let's break down what you need to know about transferring a loan. When it comes to personal loans, transferring them directly to another person is usually not allowed by banks and credit unions. Why is that? Personal loans are based on the original borrower's credit score, income, and financial situation. These factors are carefully reviewed when the loan is approved. Since the loan agreement ties the original borrower to the lender, it cannot simply be handed off to someone else without a thorough reassessment. If someone else wants to take over the loan, they would need to apply for a new loan themselves. This means they would go through the same credit and income checks that you did when you first took out the loan. The lender needs to ensure that the new borrower meets their credit standards, which is why a direct transfer is not an option. However, there are some alternatives if you want to manage your loan differently. One option is loan refinancing or a balance transfer. This process involves taking out a new loan to pay off the existing one. You can often find better terms, like a lower interest rate or reduced monthly payments. This does not transfer the loan to someone else, but it allows you to change your loan terms by switching lenders. Another option is co-signing a new loan. If someone else is interested in taking on your loan obligation, they can apply for a new loan with a co-signer. This can improve their chances of approval, but again, this is a separate loan and not a transfer of the original loan. In some rare cases, a loan assumption may be allowed. This is when a lender permits a new borrower to take over the loan, but this is more common with mortgage loans than personal loans. If this is an option, it usually requires the new borrower to qualify and get approval from the lender. To sum it up, personal loans cannot be transferred directly to another individual. The responsibility remains with the original borrower unless special arrangements like co-signers are made. If someone else wants to take on the loan, they will need to apply for a new loan. Refinancing is a great way to adjust your loan terms without transferring the debt. Always check with your lender to understand your options and what works best for your situation.